In business news this morning, Amazon wanting a bigger piece of the retail pie, looking to go further than just being online. And this is news. Tyler Orton from Business in Vancouver. Good morning to you. News that has really shaken retail stocks. So tell us what's happening here.
Well, the Wall Street Journal reports that these would not be the typical kind of department stores we're used to. They'd run about 30,000 square feet in size, which is smaller than the typical, Nordstrom or the Bay. And the web giant would be selling its own private label clothing, electronics, household items, and some other private brands. Now, shares of other department store companies, they initially sunk following this report from the Wall Street Journal before quickly bouncing back. I think, investors, they've been there before with Amazon making some inroads on physical shops. They bought Whole Foods a couple years back. They also have a couple of those Amazon Go cashierless convenience stores. So the first department stores are expected to open in Ohio and California, but Amazon has always had global ambitions. So if successful, little doubt that they would start popping up in BC at a certain point.
Oh my goodness. It's incredible. Their whole story, it's just so incredible. Let's move on to other news today. We're only a reminder, a few months away from Christmas. A lot of parents looking for toys. It's a massive focus, and we might be getting a bigger selection. So what's going on here?
Yeah, that Toys R Us brand, it will definitely continue to live on here in Canada, but with a new owner. Canadian businessman Doug Putnam of Putnam Investments is acquiring the company for an undisclosed amount from Fairfax. Now, recall the parent corporation went insolvent south of the border a few years back before Fairfax acquired it for $300 million. But Putnam plans to open as many as 20 new stores across Canada in the coming years. Meanwhile, Macy's plans to open 400 Toys R Us branded shops within its own department stores in the United States. So big expansion plans ahead, both here as well as in the US. So maybe that holiday shopping season, it'll be a little bit easier in the years to come.
Yes, that'll be welcome news, or maybe not for parents. Maybe that'll mean kids want even more. I don't know. All right, Tyler Orton from Business in Vancouver. Lovely to see you again. Thanks very much.
Thank you, Sonia.